Hello friends, I'm Parvez and this is our 11th video in Tkinter GUI application development. In the previous video we have covered about label frames in Tkinter. This was from the previous video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make tab controls in Tkinter. Okay. For this I have made a new Python file at the name of tab controls, and I'm going to copy my window code from the previous video and paste it in my tab control, and I'm going to change the title to Tkinter tab controls. Okay, now I'm going to run this. Yeah, I have a nice empty window. Now I'm going to import from Tkinter import ttk like this, and after this in here I'm going to make a tab control. For making a tab control, you're going to just simply write tab control. I'm going to make a variable at name of tab control ttk.notebook and give it self. Also, now I'm going to make tabs. First is tab 1 ttk.frame. I'm going to make a frame tab. Add your tab control in that, and after this take your tab control dot add and give the tab 1, and the text is tab 1. Okay, this is our first tab, and I'm going to make another tab for this. Let me just pack this and you can see that how we have before making the second tab. Tab control dot pack and give it expand to 1 and fill to bot. Okay, now I'm going to run this. Hopefully, let me run this. Yeah, you can see now I have a tab 1, and now I'm going to add another tab to my tab control. For this I'm going to make another variable tab 2 like this, ttk.frame, and add your tab control. Now tab control dot add and give your tab 2 text tab 2. Now another tab 3 ttk.frame, add your tab control and tab control dot add tab 3 and give the text to tab 3. Yeah, now we have 3 tabs in our main window. This is the complete code. Let me run this. Yeah, you can see now I have tab 1, tab 2 and tab 3. Okay, thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos don't forget subscription of my channel.